Celine, and welcome to my vlog. I'm so happy to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That really helps us perform here on YouTube. One more thing I wanted to say is, what is one of your favorite Christmas traditions? I really want to know. Please leave a comment, and this is one of my favorite Christmas traditions, and that's why I wanted to document this. Despite this pandemic that we are going through, I didn't want that to be taken away from me this year or anything. I still want some sort of or a sense of normalcy. So this is us trying to be normal this year despite everything. So we hope you enjoy this video. Take care. They're just gorgeous, and they're vintage, and they're just so pretty. When you're looking for ornaments, you want to make sure they're made in the USA. All these are made in Germany, so that's good. That's even better, actually. It's higher quality. If you're looking to collect, they'll last longer. These are my absolute favorite ones. They're just so pretty. I got these probably for like $1 again at a thrift store. I can't even believe it. They're gorgeous, and they are also, does it say? Oh, they are made in USA. Looks like they're from like the 80s or 70s or 80s. They're pretty. How pretty they are. Pretty glass angels. And then tons of those in different colors.
Oh, different colored wings, right?
Yeah, like look, this is one of my favorite colors. Isn't that pretty?
Gorgeous.
Yeah, so pretty is that. And then, oh yeah, and then my mom gave me these last Christmas. These are like crystal ornaments made in Germany. I guess this is a nutcracker, although it doesn't really look like one. They're Waterford crystal, Marquis Waterford. So that's always cool.
Can you tell us a bit about Waterford crystal?
It's very high-end crystal. People collect it. Here's some vintage cranberry garland. And I got this on eBay a few years ago, many years ago actually.
Are they made of wood?
Yeah, they're wooden beads. They're not plastic.
I've never seen that before.
Yeah, well, they don't make them like that anymore. That's why, yeah, that's why they're collectible. Like things that actually have quality. You know, someone probably painted them at one point by hand. Whoa, it must have taken forever. Again, they don't make
One
things.
wooden bead, two wooden bead, put them on the string.
They don't make things like that anymore. Okay.
Pleasure thou canst give me. How often has the Christmas tree afforded me the greatest glee? Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. From base to summit, gay and bright, there's only splendor for the sight. Oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee. Thou bidst us true and faithful be, and trust in God unchangingly. Oh, Christmas tree, how richly God has decked thee.
We're on a Christmas walk. There's a lot of people here, but look how pretty it is. Isn't it gorgeous? Gorgeous day today. Whoa, look at how high we are. That's so cool. Whoa.
We're at the top now.
Top of the Ferris wheel. Look at behind us. Halibut with risotto and veggies, asparagus and carrots. And Daniel, what are you having?
Lobster ravioli in vodka sauce.
And I'm having Chardonnay Merlot. Cheers.
Salud.
Salute. So we're gonna have dessert. I don't usually have dessert, but we decided to because we're on vacation. Why not? Show it to you. And that is tiramisu. Look how pretty it is.